To use a Visa gift card on Xbox One, start by turning on your console and navigating to the Store tab. Select the option to browse games and subscriptions. Then choose the item you want to purchase. When prompted to sign in, enter your Xbox account credentials to proceed. Next, select the Payment Options menu and choose the Redeem a Code option. Since you are using a Visa gift card, you will need to add it as a new payment method. To do this, go to the Payment Options menu and select Add a Payment Method. Choose the credit or debit card option. Then enter your Visa gift card information, including the card number, expiration date, and security code. Make sure to enter the information accurately, as incorrect details may result in a failed transaction. Once you have added the Visa gift card as a payment method, you can proceed with your purchase. Select the item you want to buy and choose the Visa gift card as your payment method. Review your order details, including the total cost and any applicable taxes, to ensure everything is correct. If you have sufficient funds on your Visa gift card, the transaction will be processed, and the item will be added to your Xbox account. It is essential to note that some Visa gift cards may have restrictions or limitations, such as requiring a zip code or being restricted to certain types of purchases. Be sure to check the terms and conditions of your Visa gift card before attempting to use it on Xbox One. Additionally, keep in mind that Xbox may require you to add a billing address to your account when using a Visa gift card. This is a standard security measure to prevent fraudulent transactions. To add a billing address, go to the Account Settings menu and select the Billing Information option. Enter your address details, including your street address, city, state, and zip code. By following these steps and best practices, you can successfully use a Visa gift card on Xbox One to purchase games, subscriptions, and other digital content. Remember to always review your order details carefully and ensure you have sufficient funds on your Visa gift card to complete the transaction.